Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the Finestrat municipality, a beautiful town located in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I'll be showing you a townhouse. This townhouse offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's distributed on 2 floors with a solarium and it is 130 square meters. I'm going to be kicking off the tour today right here in the center of the urbanization, and here you can see there are the parking spaces outside of the homes that are in here. So with the actual urbanization itself comes your own communal space to be able to enjoy outdoor life without any fuss and with ease. So where I'm walking towards is where the communal swimming pool is located. And you get to see the contemporary design of the actual buildings with this natural stone that we are also overlooking. These rocks are so enormous. And so it takes you onto a lawned and very peaceful spot where you can see you have an adult swimming pool and next to it there, a smaller children's swimming pool. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, in here, this spot, you have your intercom system and also your alarm system. And then in this entry hall, you also have cupboards for storage. This door right here would be the door that leads to the guest bathroom that is fully equipped. And much like the entry, the rest of the home is light and well illuminated with hints of jewel tones and earthy colours with the interior design. Here we are in the open plan kitchen that leads to the dining and the living area. The kitchen is light and bright. You have here your appliances like your washing machine, your dishwasher, the oven and your hob with the extractor. In the corner spot over there, you'll find that it is your refrigerator and you have plenty of storage cabinets on this side. As we come round over to this side, you find this is a nook that could be used quite easily as a breakfast bar. The house comes with specifications that you would expect, like air conditioning, so you'll find those dials and switches on that side of the wall. And it then leads really seamlessly to the dining space. This dining space is a table that is set to dine at 6. Coming from the dining space, it leads seamlessly to the living area where you would relax. And I do like how it opens out through patio doors, giving you a really nice spot to enjoy the sunshine and the outdoors. Coming up the stairs to the first floor, we had the ground space, which was open plan, offering 40 square meters. We're coming along the hall, and this well-illuminated, sunshiny bedroom would be the first bedroom. This bedroom is 14 square meters. It has this light and bright feel. Again, the ceiling height on the first floor and the ground floor is 2.5 meters. And it opens out through patio doors to one's own private terrace, which is very well illuminated and giving views of the skyline of Benidorm and the sea. Now, what's really nice about all the bedrooms you'll find is that you have your integrated wardrobes on one wall, and they have shared use of the fully equipped bathroom. There they have installed a bath, but you could quite easily keep it just as a shower. On the walls you will see that there are various dials that also give you individualized air conditioning on each floor. Now coming into the primary bedroom, this bedroom is 15 square metres. You have on one side patio doors that lead out onto a balcony, giving you views of your surroundings, and then you also have a wall of integrated wardrobes. Coming onto the upper floor, this is a real treat as it gives you a great space that is 40 square metres. The solarium gives you also the opportunity to enjoy not only panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and where we are, so close, by the way, to where everything happens. Within 5 minutes, you're in the centre of Benidorm, you're next to beautiful beaches. But this solarium is great because you have this open expanse here that's perfect for dining or lounging, and then you also have an equipped barbecue kitchen up here as well. Overlooking this beautiful coastline and rolling sands, beaches crystal clear, we are just 5 minutes away from the townhouse that we just viewed. And can I say, ladies and gentlemen, as we are beginning December and Christmas season, this is splendid weather and really a beautiful slower pace that we're enjoying here in the winter. And if you are thinking of enjoying this expanse of beaches, as quiet as they are, with waters that are turquoise blue, and really just a wonderful ambience of light tourism, lovely food, and a really splendid way to enjoy this time of year, then please do come and visit. Again, yes, I am now reporting out for duty, going to keep these shorts on and go and enjoy some more sun. So my lovelies, the nitty gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €560 per year. The community fee is €350 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a great property, ideal for those that are, let's say, a couple or wanting a second home, close proximity to everything you could want and need, whether you're living here full time or whether you're just here for part of the year. As it comes under the municipality of Finestrat, it offers so much in terms of recreational activities, beaches, close proximity to shopping, entertainment, vibrant towns and cities, and also within 40 minutes of Alicante airport. What's also really nice about this house is it's move-in ready. Built in 2022, it is considered to be still quite new, even though it comes under secondary housing. And also it gives you great space on the inside, along with specifications like a parking space, hot and cold air conditioning on all floors. You also have a fantastic modern exterior and interior, and a communal swimming pool to enjoy throughout the year. If you'd like to know the finer details, please go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate, and also don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you next time. Hasta pronto!